A quotient is basically your answer in division. Show all your work. All right. Tell me those steps you guys wrote above. What's the first thing you do? All right, let's divide. The question is, how many times is x going to 4x cubed? So you can do something like this. 4x cubed divided by x. What can we cancel there? X. So your answer is what? 4x squared. Now, it does not matter where you place it. I chose to place it above the 0x squared because you'll realize that everything between my fingers and this column will all be x squareds. Okay, we just divided. What's the next step? Multiply. Let's multiply. Class, what's 4x squared times x? 4x cubed. Okay, what do you do after multiplying? Okay, this is how I do my subtraction. This is an easier problem. You're going to put those in parentheses. I'm going to do mine in red. And you're going to put this minus sign on the outside. They are like terms. 4 minus 4 is? Do I need to write as 0 or 0x cubed? No. So we divided, we multiplied, we subtracted. What do you do next? Bring down. Class, can x go into basically 0? No. So we're just going to write a 0x here. 0x times x will kind of give you a 0x squared, and if you really added these or subtracted these, you're still getting 0. Class, do you have to write 0? No. And this problem is kind of weird, as you should point out. There's these 0x's, okay? We'll talk about those in a second. So I have a 7x now. Class, how many times is x going to 7x? 7 times. Class, 7 times x? 7x. And if I subtract these, we get what? 0. So 4x squared plus 0x plus 7 is my answer. How do you check your answer? In this case, you can take the divisor and just multiply by the quotient. X times 4x squared gives you 4x cubed. X times 0x gives you negative 0x squared. X times 7 gives you 7x. I do want to highlight these. Everyone say placeholder. Class, do we normally write something like negative 0x squared? No. We normally write something like this, 4x cubed plus 7x. But in order to do long division, you're going to have to put a placeholder in there if you see it. Okay?